My ancestors used to tell me that this area was covered with beautiful, lush green grasses. It was great for raising livestock.
The Dust Bowl of the 1930s. Fertile fields turned barren, with rich soil swept away by relentless winds. Nearly 200 million acres left dry, cracked, and scarred. Many blamed livestock for the damaged land, but it was our management.
I really wanted to do things different than the conventional way.
For millennia, herds roamed freely, grazing in sync with nature, hooves breaking hardened soil, creating plant cover, and waste returning nutrients to the earth. Regenerative grazing harnesses nature's wisdom, using livestock to restore soil, ecosystems, and grasslands. It transforms barren fields into lush landscapes. By mimicking wild patterns, animals help native grasses flourish, soil retain water, and carbon is stored underground, healing our planet step by step.
Nowadays, after many trials, my ranch is one of the strongest references worldwide of what nature has to offer on arid, low precipitation land. If we do the work right, we are able to infiltrate more rainfall, we have more plant diversity, more wildlife, the soil temperatures are warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Obviously, our inputs are lower nowadays, so that would benefit the bottom line of the ranch.
We are not bound to the mistakes of the past. In just one generation, we can reverse the clock and revive our soil. Regenerative grazing is the solution beneath our feet, ready to heal.